on, man. We out here on the back roads in Maryland, man. Yeah. A little bit of back road action, man. Here we go. Let's go. You got to drive these cars. You got to drive them, man. Come on. Hey, no more garage queens, man. That's what the rules are, man. You have to drive these cars. C8 Corvette, you got to drive it. Whatever sports car you got to drive it, man. And there's nothing better, some would argue, than a back road, man. Windy, back road, scenic, all the above, man. Cool temperature. Come on, man. Starts and stops. You know, we got a couple stop signs through here, man. This is a great little experience, man, where you can get to know your car, man, and kind of push your car a little bit within the, you know, legal, local limits, of course. But it's fun, man. Here we go. Man, can you feel it? Yeah, I can. You gotta have this, man. You gotta have it. You work, you're a provider, you do all these different things, man, in life, man. Have some good days, bad days, rough days, crazy days, man, stress-filled days, man. You deserve it, man. Come on now. You deserve it. Put some miles on that car. Or pull the trigger and get that car. Woo! Yeah, come on now. You got the experiences right here. Yeah. Oh man, windy roads, man. This is it. Man, I can feel all these horses, man. Man, I love this Corvette, man. Yeah, I love it. I love the torque. I love the G-forces in the corner, man. I love the handling of the Pilot Sport Cup 2S tires on here, man. Come on, man. I love it. Yeah. You'll love it too. I can hear you right now. You're saying, I'm not sure if I should get it right now, man. You know, I'm not sure. I need to wait. No, you don't. What you waiting on? Been waiting long enough. It's time to go get it, man. You got one life to live, and it's meant to be lived partly on these back roads. It sure is, man. Going through the woods like this, man. Come on, you gotta do it. I know you're tired of waiting. Woo! Them horses sitting in that stable, they want to come out. It's the Kentucky Derby today, baby. Come on out. It's the Preakness today, baby. Come on out. I'm letting all the horses out. And as a kid growing up, we used to say, by the power of Grayskull, you know what I mean? We letting them out. Woo! We letting them horses out, man. Y'all hear that? All right, with a nice little four-way. Okay, I start first. All right, let's go. Woo! Let's go. We riding, man. Come ride with me, man. Let's go. Man, come on. A man's man need a sports car. And even if you don't own a sports car, go rent one. Come on now. Hey, go rent one today, man. Go get on Turo, Enterprise, whoever got one, go rent one today, man. And have you some fun. Take your old lady out. Take your son out. Take your daughter out. Go pick up your homeboy. Let's go. Man, I'm gonna drive the fool out of this car. That's one thing you ain't gonna worry about me. I'm gonna drive the fool out of this car. What they say on Bad Boys, that's how you drive, man. Man, but look at that scenery right there, man. Look at that sun. The sun about to go down, man. On the countryside, man. Stop playing with us over here. These back roads of Maryland, man. We're not playing with y'all today. It's essential that you have one of these cars. You gotta get one. Man, I'm at so much peace right now that it's ridiculous. The peace that I feel. And being out here right now has erased nothing that's going on in life, right? It has not erased a thing. But man, it has filled me with so much joy, so much happiness right now that it's hard to put into words. You gotta just do it over and over and over and over and over again. Keep filling that battery up, man. Recharge that battery. You deserve it. I'm serious, man. I'm talking to you. You know who I'm talking. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. You've been scrolling on Car Gurus. You've been on all the websites, man. Go on, pull that trigger, man. Yeah, pull that trigger. There's a truck out here in the road. I'm trying to wait for that truck to. There you go. Truck sliding out of the way. Here we go. We're gonna take off on them too. Go around. Here we go. Oh no, we ain't gonna take off that much. I don't know if the sheriff lived there or they just back in patrolling. I think they live there. We ain't gonna take no chance. But you gotta get your car, man. It's your time. It's your turn. You waited long enough. You need to be on these back roads. Let's go, man. And that's the end of the video.